to you today about a chemical known as ethylene oxide. Sometimes it's abbreviated ETO. In 2018, citizens throughout Illinois learned that they may have been exposed, maybe for years, to this chemical, ethylene oxide. I'm talking about the citizens in Willowbrook and Burr Ridge and Darien in DuPage County. And what they learned is that a plant nearby their homes had been for years using ethylene oxide, in fact still is, to sterilize medical equipment. And as part of that sterilization process, ethylene oxide gas leaves the plant through vents, through a stack, so to speak, and then it goes out into the atmosphere, and it goes wherever the wind takes it. And there are homes, there are communities all around, and very likely these communities and the people in them were exposed for many, many years, in some cases decades. Now the reason that's important is because ethylene oxide is one of the most dangerous chemicals that we know about. Our government scientists have said that it is a known human carcinogen. It causes cancer if someone is exposed for long enough to high enough concentrations. Mechanically, what it does, it's kind of complicated, but you can think of it simply in terms of it damages DNA. It attacks the DNA, it damages cells, and when damaged cells multiply, cancer can result. Now, what's important for you also to understand is the kinds of cancers that have been known to be caused by exposure to ethylene oxide. Some examples: non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, lymphomas beyond non-Hodgkin's lymphoma also, leukemias, multiple myeloma, breast cancer, pancreatic cancer, stomach cancers. Those are the ones most frequently associated in medical studies with exposure to ethylene oxide, but there are others too, which may be caused in human beings. We know them through studies of laboratory animals, and so we're going to be keeping our eye on those. What I want to end with here is just a piece of advice. If you believe that you or anyone in your family may have been exposed to ethylene oxide and made ill, let's say diagnosed with one of the cancers I just mentioned, you should do two things. One is, and most importantly, go see your doctor or ask your doctor these questions about whether your cancer might have been caused by exposure to ethylene oxide. Then also, for legal answers, you can contact us. We've been doing environmental law for many, many years. We understand how to help clients think through whether exposure to a dangerous chemical like ethylene oxide may have caused their serious illness. You can begin by going to our website, collinslaw.com. Great deal of information there to help you get started. Contact us beyond that if you have more questions. We'd be happy to help.